The creation of AI systems that can communicate with people in natural speech has attracted increasing attention in recent years. The language model known as Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, created by OpenAI, is one of the most important innovations in this field. This technology serves as the foundation for ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art conversational AI system with the potential to radically overhaul how humans engage with technology. It can produce original and imaginative replies that are customized to the particular context of each encounter, unlike many prior AI systems that depend on predetermined patterns or rule-based systems. This creates new opportunities for AI applications, some of which we will share with you today. To help you make the most of this revolutionary invention, here are 10 fantastic tips. Be clear and concise to limit the scope of responses. Give context, background information, and specific details about your topic to get a more accurate and thorough response. For example, if your question is brief and vague and simply says write an essay about social media, it may struggle to determine what specific aspect of social media it should focus on. However, if the question provides more specific details, such as write a 5,000-word essay about the benefits of using social media to expand your business, it will have a clearer understanding of what it needs to include in the answer. Get explanations for different age groups. When you ask ChatGPT to explain something as if you were of a given age, it can respond differently each time since experience, perspective, and knowledge can change with age. You are providing more context by indicating the age, which may have an impact on how the model derives its result. For instance, if you ask ChatGPT to explain a difficult scientific idea to you as if you were a 10-year-old, it could come up with a response that is easier to grasp and is simplified, using language and illustrations that are age-appropriate for that age group. In contrast, if you ask the model to describe a subject as if you were a PhD in the field, it can produce a more technical and in-depth explanation using specialized vocabulary and more sophisticated examples. Use adjectives to modify your answers. Adjectives give context and additional knowledge that might alter how the question is understood and how it should be answered. The model has gained knowledge about patterns and structures that may be utilized to produce amusing, inspirational, or catchy content, as well as examples of how these tonalities can be created through language. Pretending to be someone. This approach allows you to tap into the model's ability to generate text in a specific persona or style. ChatGPT can provide more original and creative replies when you instruct it to pretend to be someone else by using the personality features and speech patterns associated with that type of individual. Keep the formatting of texts. A substantial quantity of text data, including multiple text types like narratives, articles, lists, tables, and more, was used to train ChatGPT. Through this training, ChatGPT is able to detect and comprehend the various text formats and provide answers that are formatted to fit the input content. When a user enters a list of things, for instance, ChatGPT will provide an answer in that same format, such as a list of related items or a description of each item in the list. Including keywords. The model has the ability to include certain phrases and keywords in a text if you need it to. It will examine the context and meaning of the words you provided before adding them to a text, then create a new text that uses those terms in a grammatically correct and relevant way. This may entail changing the word's form, such as turning it from a noun to a verb, or modifying the surrounding text to produce a complete thought or narrative. Translation. ChatGPT can translate information between every language thanks to its proficiency in several languages, grammar, and syntax. It only requires the source text and the target language to do so. Text summarization. As a model proficient in language comprehension, ChatGPT can summarize texts by picking out the most crucial details and reducing them. The text's core ideas, important information, and context will all be analyzed in order to provide a concise summary. Marketing ideas. Because of its knowledge, which comprises a wide range of internet-sourced material, ChatGPT recognizes the context and provides a list of idea suggestions in any topic. Use it wisely and boost your business on online platforms by asking for marketing advice. YouTube scripts. The importance of having a YouTube presence for people and businesses is growing constantly in this digital era. If you're struggling to write a catchy text for your video that captures people's interest, just ask ChatGPT. Your script will be ready in a matter of seconds. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a powerful weapon that may assist you in maximizing your experience in the ever-evolving digital realm. The future of communication and technology is in your hands thanks to its capacity to produce original and creative content, translate information, summarize documents, and even offer advice and ideas. Stay ahead of the curve and produce powerful content by utilizing ChatGPT's amazing abilities.